Lay the rectangle flat with the wrong side up and the cast-on edge on the right. Fold the top right corner down so that the cast-on edge lines up with the bottom edge. Fold the bound-off edge in so that it meets the vertical edge. These two edges will be seamed together. Starting at the bottom, sew the edges together using mattress stitch. On the vertical edge, insert behind a slipped stitch. On the bound-off edge, skip one stitch and insert behind the next one. Our stretchy bind-off twisted the final row of stitches. So when you insert behind the two stitch legs, they'll look twisted. Weave your ends into the seam. Trim your tails, leaving about a 1/2 inch. The seam will be a little wavy, so steam it out for a clean, relaxed finish.